Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how DAOForum was created and how you can launch your own DAO in under 2 minutes. First, let's search for CreateDAO on Google and select the first result. Once you're on the site, look for the CreateDAO link in the header menu. Let's start by connecting our wallet. I'll be using the NYKNYC wallet. CreateDAO is actually sponsoring gas fees for all DAO creations processed through NYKNYC Smart Wallet. Next, we choose the network. I'm selecting the Arbitrum chain. The low fees and strong reputation make it ideal for this project. Now for the details. The DAO is called DAOForum. The token is DFR token with the ticker DFR. I want exactly 10 million tokens issued. 1% goes to my wallet, and the rest will be securely locked in the DAO treasury. Let's click on Advanced Settings. Since our DAO is brand new and I don't want to wait 7 days for proposals to queue, I'll make a few adjustments. We can always update these through community proposals later. I'll set the voting delay to 3 hours. This is how long members wait after a proposal is created before they can vote. The Timelock delay, which dictates how fast a proposal executes after voting ends, will also be 3 hours. Finally, I'll set the voting period to just 1 day, since I'm currently the only member. All right, let's click Create DAO. Sign the transaction in NYKNYC. And we're done. As you can see, CreateDAO sponsored the transaction, so we didn't spend a single cent on gas or creation fees. And that's it! DAOForum is officially live. It's the first forum entirely controlled by a DAO and its members. If you're interested in blockchain and decentralized governance, please join us at DAOForum.org.